How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap on the Use section from your bottom right. Now, one of the reasons your Instagram profile might not be showing the broadcast channel option is because you might be having a personal account instead of professional or business account. Let's go ahead and try switching our account. Tap on 3-bar icon here, then scroll below. Under For Professionals, tap on Account Type and Tools. You tap on Switch to Professional Account, then tap on Continue. You can choose any of these options that you would like and tap on Done. Now choose if it's creator or business. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose creator. Tap on Next. Now you can complete these steps later. Let's go ahead and head back to our profile page. Now check if this fixes your problem. Go onto your chat. If you are still not being able to see your broadcast channel option, make sure that you have enough followers in order to start a broadcast channel. And if you have enough followers, you are still facing that issue, then tap on 3-bar icon here, scroll below, then tap on Help. Then tap on Report a Problem, then tap on Report Problem again. Tap on Include and Continue, and here you can type in your issue that even though that you have enough followers, you're not being shown the broadcast channel option and you really need it in order to increase your community and Instagram. Once you do so, tap on to Send on your top right, and that shall definitely fix your problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.